Aloha, I'm Joshua Cooper. I teach at the University of Hawaii. I'm the Executive Director of the Hawaii Institute for Human Rights. And I was fortunate to be an instructor here at the course at the Geneva Academy. It was an exciting course looking at climate change, human rights, environmental issues. And I was giving a lecture on human rights defenders as well as environmental rights defenders, an emerging field of international human rights law. And the participants were amazingly well-versed and also a wide array of experience from different places around the world, all eager to actually seek solutions on the largest challenges looming in our world of human rights today. The other exciting part was actually going to the actual Human Rights Council. So this session also takes place during the time when the council focuses on climate change. So it's a possibility for participants to be able to see firsthand how the largest international human rights mechanism that exists for governments is actually coordinating activities. There also was a really good side event coordinated, so participants got to see the side events where really a lot of the ideas are hatched that then become resolutions later in the Human Rights Council. Another interesting feature of the program is ability to actually meet and see an actual example of the Aarhus body working that focuses a lot on the right to information and to make sure that people have the knowledge about projects before they happen in one's own community. So in a way, it's exercising those principles of free, prior, and informed consent to make sure that the people have a voice in the decisions that impact their natural environment around them and to make sure that they live a healthy and clean life. So it's definitely a short, intensive instruction, but allows people to, one, hear from the experts in the field, but two, also make great colleagues that then, in a way, creates an informal caucus of people who are all interested in the same topic, but come to it from different angles, from either an NGO like Amnesty International to a community NGO to also other aspects where people were working with UN agencies. So the participants were really exciting, and it was great to meet them informally during the breaks to then follow up on some of the larger conversations we touched upon in the lectures.